Jenna.
They're gonna come get you.
Okay. Thank you.
How long has it been like that?
Half hour now.
Yeah.
Not married yet, are you?
Oh, you're really good. Really? That's good to know.
Sorry to laugh.
You're good.
I think that's it.
Uh-huh.
It hurts when you do that? Mm-hmm. So she's gonna start an IV and we're gonna give you some little bit of muscle relaxant stuff.
Okay.
And then we're gonna try and put it back.
Okay.
Okay?
So how long did she stay like this?
Stop talking. I was crying before.
I know you are.
And I'm happy.
I'm glad you're happy because you can close your mouth.